What's up guys, it's CDB, and today we will see a vintage train set consist from MehanoTehnika. In this train set we will see this locomotive EMD SW2 Southern, one reefer, one tank and one auto rack with tracks and power pack. There is an interesting fact about this train set is that this train set is operated by batteries. So, but today I'll run it via genuine controller. Now we will put the train on the track and run it. First I'm gonna put this locomotive on the track. Then this auto rack, this tank car, and this reefer. Now the set is all ready to run. Well, that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. For more info, go to ADB Railroader YouTube channel.